This Halloween, the past is creeping out of the shadows. 8 chilling tales will be told for the very first time, set within the walls of England's grandest houses, castles and forts. Along the pirate-infested Cornish coast, we visit a mighty salt-sprayed fortress, but all is not well within the castle walls.
I awoke somewhere in the dead of night. The back of my neck was clammy.
Is there a door between life and death? A life and death as separated as we believe. Meanwhile, strange hauntings hang in the air at this country house.
Out on the lawn a crow croaked, then there was silence. And if it hoped for an answer, there was none.
Of course, you know the house is built on consecrated land.
Don't call here,
she said.
Don't ever call here again.
And we can't escape the ear-shattering shrieks of this fortress under siege, where disease stalks its battered walls.
The moon was full, illuminating the marble fountain and the statues of the muzzled bears.
You can't keep me where I don't want to be, whether you're alive or dead.
Did they love the light, or was there something in the darkness they were trying to keep at bay?
When something funny happens that you can't explain, just remember the ghosts here aren't malicious.